Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the HD-22VW video wall generator. This product was designed to provide a simple solution for displaying a single HDMI media stream across 4 monitors at the same time, creating a gigantic video wall. The product fully supports high-definition HDMI media content and also provides 8 pre-programmed display modes that you can easily select between by using the switches on the front of the unit or through an RS-232 connection to a local computer. The product also provides audio extraction capabilities that will digitally separate the audio component from the media stream you're displaying and allow you to pass that along through an analog connection to a soundbar or amplifier system for that full theater experience. Now, as part of this review, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing of the product just to show you all the components that are included, and then I'll take a closer look at the video wall generator and explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. I'll list the features and functions the product provides and also do a quick demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the video wall generator. You'll find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it which plugs into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a little bag with brackets included you can use to mount this up off the ground and out of the way, and a connection block in case you decide to control this over that RS-232 connection. You'll also find a full instruction manual that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and has examples of the 8 different display modes the product can provide. And it's really important you read through this because you want to make sure you get the best value out of the product and you want to understand the features that the product provides. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll do that demonstration. The product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and really the perfect choice for both residential and commercial installations. On either side of the cabinet you'll find mounting holes, and these can be used with the included bracketing kit to mount the module up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the module, starting on the left, you'll find a power indicator. The minute you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics. Once it passes that test, it'll light that LED letting you know the module's ready to use. To the right of that are 4 more LED indicators labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you connect this up to your 4 monitors, that HDMI cable between this and those monitors is checked. Once it's been verified, these LEDs will come on. So under normal operation, the power and all 4 of these should be lit. To the right of that is an RS-232 connection block. You can choose which mode this product is operating in by connecting it to a local computer to issue commands. To the right of that is a mode select switch that can be used to select the mode as well. So you can do it through RS-232 or you can do it through the mode switch, and these are both explained in the manual. To the right of that is a micro USB connection for upgrading the module if needed later on. If new firmware comes out, you can connect this to your computer with a micro USB cable, move the firmware file to the module to complete that upgrade. On the rear of the module is where you'll make all your connections. Starting on the left, you'll find the DC input port. That's used with the included power supply. Just plug that into a wall outlet. Barrel connection plugs in right there to provide power. To the right of that is an HDMI input connection. This connects to whatever media device you'd like to share the content from with your video wall. Standard HDMI connection there. To the right of that are 4 more HDMI ports labeled HDMI out 1, 2, 3, and 4. These connect to your 4 monitors that you'd like to use for the larger display. Standard HDMI connections. To the right of that is a left and right audio output connection. This product provides audio extraction capabilities, and if you'd like that audio passed along to a soundbar or home stereo, you can plug into this 3.5mm analog connection here and connect it up to whatever audio device you'd like to use. Finally, to the right of that is a reset button. If you need to reset the module for any reason, you can hold that down for a few seconds to instigate that reset. The OREI HD-22VW is compatible with a wide range of HDMI media sources, including media players like Apple TV, streaming devices, computer systems, digital projectors, and game consoles. The product's features include full support of high-definition media content. It offers 8 different video wall modes to choose from. You can make those selections through the dip switch on the unit or through an RS-232 connection to a local computer. It supports 4 output monitors for display and also features audio extraction capabilities. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video, and that's the media content I'd like to share with my 4 displays. Over here I've set up 4 monitors in a 2x2 configuration, which is a large square, and I'd like to use this product to create a gigantic video wall across all 4 of those monitors. Now this product offers 8 different display modes that you can easily select between by using the switches on the front of the unit or by connecting it to a local computer over an RS-232 cable. But for this first demonstration, I'd like it to create a gigantic video wall with that HDMI media. I'll also show you how you can use this product to actually mirror that content across all 4 monitors. Now I've got the unit in front of me, I've got the media player set up, and I've got my 4 monitors all ready to go. The first connection I'll make is from my media device directly to the video wall generator, and I've already connected an HDMI cable up to the product, and I'll plug the other end of that cable into the HDMI input port. Now when you're connecting the monitors, it's important you use a high quality cable, but it's also important you understand the organization of how the monitors are set up. So in this case, monitor 1, monitor 2, monitor 3, and monitor 4, you need to plug those into the correct output ports on the back of the unit so the display is organized correctly. I've labeled the cables and I've already connected them to the monitors, so I'll plug these into output port number 1, output port number 2, 3, and then finally number 4. And again, it's really important to keep track of which of these is plugged into which port. Okay, now we're all ready to add power. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it, and I'll plug that directly into the DC input port on the back of the unit. The minute I do that, it starts an internal power on self-test where it's checking the electronics, it's checking the resolution of my media source, and the resolution of all my monitors to make whatever adjustments are needed to give me the best possible output image. And there you go. You can see that what this is doing is taking that single HDMI media stream, splitting it into 4 different sections, and sending those outputs to the correct monitors to create a gigantic video wall. Now another setting that I use occasionally is to have that input mirrored across all 4 monitors so it acts like an HDMI splitter. And to do that, I've just got to switch a couple of these down. There we go. And you can see that it's changed. So again, what I've got now is the same HDMI media stream across all 4 monitors. And it blinked out there for a second, and that's because it was actually checking the resolution and making adjustments for the different monitors, because 2 of these are set up at different resolutions. And it really is just that simple to get it working. And the best part is you have up to 8 different settings that you can use with this unit for pretty much any configuration you need for 4 monitors on the output. I hope you found this overview of the OREI HD-22VW video wall generator helpful. It provides a very simple solution for displaying all of your HDMI media content across 4 monitors at the same time that have been synchronized and combined into a beautiful video wall. It fully supports high-definition HDMI media content, which means it's going to work fine with all of your media gear. It also provides 8 different pre-programmed modes that you can easily select between based on the organization of your monitors by using the switches on the front of the unit or through an RS-232 connection to a local computer. It also provides audio extraction capabilities where it digitally separates the audio from the media stream you're displaying and allows you to pass that along through an analog connection to a home stereo or a soundbar for better quality audio. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.